Hello guys, so welcome to the new trade recap. Today we are gonna see what I did wrong. It's another day where I made some mistakes, and let's see what I did. So today we have no news, as you can see, only at 2 a.m. and let's see what happens. So I'm bullish, obviously. We closed above. I'm still bullish. I'm looking forward to seeing bullishness. However, as you can see on the hourly time frame, we are in a consolidation, so we are not moving very much. We are having all of these moves, ups and downs. So I was thinking this is the reason why I took the short while I was bullish. So as you can see, the 4 hour time frame is still bullish, even though we are moving slowly. The 1 hour is the same way. We are moving bullish. The reason that this trade, so let's go ahead and see. So we mark out everything. We can see that the Asia low was taken. Then we get a move up, and then we take out with 930 these two highs. So at this point, I was looking for a retracement back down to find longs, but as you can see, as we retraced to the downside, we did get longs right here. I was only looking for my setup, and then I would maybe target these highs for almost 3 hour, would be maybe stopped out on break even, I guess. Not really. I would still be the trader, or I would close since it's this, or put myself to break even. But what I did instead is we took out with 930 the highs. Okay, we didn't take any lows at 930, which is why I didn't look for buys. We took out the highs, so then we get a break of structure, a 5-minute fair value gap that price retraces into, and from there gives a 2-minute inversion on which I enter. My stop is above this, and I target the next sell liquidity. This trade is really not that bad. It's just a counter trade counter trend. So this is still a solid setup. If you look at all the confluences, so we have a move up, sweeping liquidity, break of structure, inverse also on the 15-minute, and then a 5-minute fair value gap that we can retrace into. We retrace into it, then give an inversion, which is a confirmation in the lower time frame that we want to go down. But the problem is that the markets are not good, as you can see right now, and also the problem is that I took a trade against my bias, which was bullish for today. So what I'm going to do is maybe take some rest until we get out of this consolidation, or just focus more and do not take shorts when I'm long. Okay, that's the main thing that I kind of forgot, because this setup looked really nice with the amount of volume that it gave. But as you can see, price action was obviously not the best today, so all we can do is move on and wait for better price action. In terms of the first strategy, I started the let me show you the competition, and I tried taking a long on USD JPY today. I ended in a small loss, and the reason is that so as you can see right here, the first trade that I saw was this one. We moved down, break structure right here, sweep low, break structure, that's your entry. Target is these highs. We get stopped out and break even. Then we sweep London lows. We get a break structure on this candle. I enter there, stop below here, target London highs. We get stopped out, back in profit right below. So this order block right here, we inverse this, and then at this point I did not want to see price go all the way back down. If we didn't have this order block, my stop would be definitely on break even. But since we had this order block, I was like, the lowest it can go is inside of this order block. If it goes below that, I do not want to be in a long, and my stop was right here. So it was moved from here to here, and I got stopped out right there, which is completely fine. This is the PNL that I ended with on this one, on this trade, and all I can do is move on also and keep on going. So what I want to do is definitely get better with these, and I want to get an account that I can trade the first strategy with, because I know that it is profitable, and I know that I can easily be profitable with it, because it's very simple and hard to make a mistake. But the problem is that I do not want to spend any money currently on the challenge. I'm gonna try and get it with the competition, and I'm gonna try to get it that way, a challenge. We'll see how that goes. If I don't get it, I'll just buy a challenge and see how that goes. At the same time, I'm gonna trade this one, the 932.11 on NQ and ES, hoping that we get better price action soon, because this is really wild and not the best conditions to trade with. We are in two losses this week. It's -2% so far, but we still have the rest of the week. We'll see what it does and how it goes. I'm not expecting that much because price action is not looking good, but if it starts to get looking good, we are definitely going to be good. Currently I'm down a little bit, but that's still fine, and we're gonna keep pushing. That's all we can do. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you can learn something from me and from my mistakes.